John Hall from Right Here Pens here to look at the new Endless Captiva. Let's open the box up, nicely packaged as you can see. We've got a leaflet here, it tells you the various bits of the pen. It's got a revolver, an ink window, a grip and a cap, a bottom barrel and a writing section. Right, well that's interesting. There we go. Right, and here it is. It's called a torque filler. Torque? Well, there we go. Torque is twist. So you twist it to fill it. And here we are. This is the thing you twist. If you look inside the ink window here, you may... Yes, you see the piston going up and down. There we are. So, let me have a look. So, an interesting look. This filling mechanism is obviously the most unusual feature of it. The ink window there means you can see when you're running out of ink and make sure that you're filling. You've got a decent serviceable grip here. There we are. A nicely finished pen. Good looking. Not very big. I've got nothing against that. A good writing unit, which I understand comes from Schmidt, which is good news, particularly if you've owned the earlier Endless pen, which in my view didn't have terribly good nibs. I've got no idea where they came from, but this is a good German Schmidt nib and will be smooth and pleasant to write with. So, there we go. Let's uncover the mystery here of what the torque filler is by having a look in here. Oh my goodness, it's a converter with a fancy hat on. There we go. Works a treat. So there we are. You don't have to open the pen to fill it though, which is I suppose an advantage. I don't know how firmly. Yeah, it's a screw-in converter. That's nice. Looks to me as if it will almost certainly take a standard cartridge as well, certainly a short standard. I'm not sure about the longer ones. So there we are. I mean, it's reasonably priced. It's interesting. It will, I am very confident, write well. Is it captivating? Well, it's quite interesting, isn't it? Yeah, I quite like it. The Endless Captiva, available now. From Right Here Pens in Shrewsbury. And if you've enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up or even subscribe.